Hi, Andrew here from Socket See. In this video we're going to be looking at the Socket See LOCKKIT415. The Socket See LOCKKIT415 comes with a safe case for housing the 2-pole tester, proving unit and locks. It comes with an SP400 True AC output proving unit, which has a non-contact voltage detector proving pad. It comes with the VIP150 2-pole tester, battery-free operation, AC/DC volts from 6 to 400 volts. It then comes with 3 locks with prohibition tags, the MCB lock, the plug lock and the fuse lock.